What if you wanted the functionality of a Hall effect keyboard, but you also wanted your keyboard to be quieter? Well, this is the Tk75HE V2 from Gamma-K, and it aims to be just that. Now, silent switches are never truly silent. There's going to be some sound from typing, but they are much quieter than other switches, some more so than others. And it's rare to see on magnetic ones. Here is a quick comparison. We also get a little screen on this board, you can throw GIFs on that, and a volume knob. Here is the software for adding images and animations, as well as using magnets to adjust the actuation force of the switches. You've also got lots of RGB to choose from, so let's go ahead and listen to what this sounds like.